wide awake.
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. This new video I'm bringing you guys is about Among Us. It is a new game which almost every YouTuber playing. Today I'm going to go in public games and play alone. But if you guys want me to play with some of you guys and some of my friends, join my Discord. The link will be in the description and we can play together. And let's get into this video. So guys, now I'm going to be joining a game. I just joined the game, guys. And as you guys can see, I can customize my character here. I can change hats and all that stuff. I haven't bought any of these extra essentials and all. It's not required. So now guys, I have to wait for some time until everybody comes. And I'll catch you guys when everybody's here. So now guys, the game has started. And I'm a crewmate. The best part is when you become an imposter, man. It's too fun. Now on the top right, you can see that I have many tasks to do. So let's go ahead and complete all my tasks so my team can win. And while doing the task, guys, one thing I need to keep in mind is that there is one imposter who's coming around to kill us. So that is a thing you need to look out for, and you need to look out on your teammates. Like, are they getting killed? Are they doing their task? Like, all that kind of stuff. So see guys, now this is security. I can look through this to see whether if anybody gets killed. And I just saw somebody, guys. Guys, I think it's orange. Guys, I think it's orange. Orange just murdered somebody. Let me just go and check again, guys. I think orange just murdered somebody. And yes. So guys, here I see a body. And I can report it. Now there's a discussion time, as you all know. So now we can discuss and so guys, that game didn't work out. I got kicked from the server for some odd reason. I was waiting patiently. I have no clue why they kicked me. The game is, Among Us is a very good game, guys. I recommend you guys to play it with your friends. It's fun. And when you don't have friends, it's kind of boring, but it's yet fun. Like, you get to discuss. If you're an imposter, it's the best to play alone. Like, you can literally trick everybody to believe whatever you want them to. So guys, now again, not okay. So guys, now guys, I think it's red because red isn't doing any of his tasks. Orange didn't kill red. Guys, now oxygen is gonna deplete, so that makes sense that if in 14 seconds nobody fixes it, we all die. And thankfully somebody did, so we don't die. And we can continue. So guys, here is my first mission. I need to collect all these wires together. And done. Now guys, I'll even finish this. So guys, if anybody of you has an idea about what to do in this, because I have no clue. I literally never understand what to do in this. Like, is there something I'm missing out on this? You see, I didn't do anything guys and it worked. So guys, now I'm gonna finish my first task. Currently I don't see anybody suspicious because I'm probably doing my task. And here is my second part of my first task. Done. And then the third part guys we can do later. We'll finish the navigation first. So okay, wrong room. Here we go, die. So guys, dead body's been reported. Means somebody has been murdered in the game. Now we all need to discuss together to find out if Brown is done for. He's gonna be getting ejected. And let's see. Was not an imposter, guys. So he was not an imposter, and we killed him. Threw him out of the ship. Shouldn't have. Guys, here is when the communication with friends comes up, but it's yet okay. Now guys, I'm gonna complete my missions. Easy task. See again guys, some imposter has again depleted the oxygen. So that means he's trying to sabotage us and kill us all together. So let's just go quickly and we will be given a code which is 6702, and that's it. pretty sure. Yes, sir. The rest was covered up by rest of my teammates. So guys, on the top you can see how many tasks are left. If we finish all our tasks, we win. That's about it. And now I'm gonna continue doing my task. Next to White. White didn't kill me, so that's a good sign, guys. That makes us know that White is not an imposter, or else he would have killed me for sure because nobody was next to us. And yeah, he could have easily killed me, but he didn't. So guys, now Red is coming towards me. Red is gonna kill me, guys. I think so. Red also did not kill me, guys. That's another way you can think that Red is also not. Red body, guys. So guys, this round I need to get who's the imposter. It's not me. I don't think it is Arya because he was next to me. He didn't kill me. I'm gonna go with it's Red from saying orange. And it was Arya, guys. But the other person left the game, so it was 1-on-1 and nothing could happen. So after that game, I went into another game to be an imposter and show you how the imposter works. So I finally got into a game and became an imposter. So here's what I found out. So guys, now I'm an imposter in the game. So this is where the fun begins. So now guys, I have another buddy of mine, Jeng. I don't know what it is, but his color is green, so we're gonna call him Green. Green with us here to help us with our mission. So now I kill him, and then I go in the vent, and I run away. So I see, I ran away from the vent, so nobody knows where I went and how I went. I am actually gonna go ahead and vote Green, so that makes our work easier, guys. So if Green is ejected, then it is easier for us to kill. Like there will be one less person for voting and one less person dead. It'll make it easier for us. So this is where the tactics come in. You need to be careful with your teammate. Like he needs to. So guys, see right here, the self-report guy is done for. He's been removed. He was accused for self-reporting, but as you all know, he wasn't the imposter. Let's continue, so guys, we need to be together. Me and this person has to be together. If we are able to kill him together, so guys, see now, right now I sabotaged it. I'm gonna go and fix it. See guys, so if now I fix it, so people next to me will think that he knows what he's doing. He's not a murderer at all. That makes it clear for them most of the time. So now guys, I'm gonna go this. Now see guys, I have a kill button now activated. But I do not need to kill right now. I need to look when there's only one, and there's a dead body reported. So my fellow mate has killed somebody. So guys, now and I've been voted off, guys. This is not right. So guys, I tried, I got caught, and I'm gonna end the video there. I tried. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more of this stuff, you can yet comment on my videos, join my Discord, and I'll play with you guys. Until next time, see you.